You work, you cook, you clean, you do it all, and somehow you're supposed to fit in going to the gym and working out? I know exactly how you feel. I have a 9-to-5. I just got a new job. I cook for myself. I do everything for myself. And sometimes it just seems like there's not enough time in the day. So I'm here to tell y'all how to fit in your workout on a busy schedule. So I have 5 tips to share with y'all about how I've been able to manage my time and fit my workouts in. But before I get into it, I wanted to give y'all a quick update. So if you watched my previous video, you saw that I tried out to be a solid core coach, and that was a very scary experience for me because I didn't sign myself up. My sister signed me up and I had no idea that I was going to be doing that, and I had to get ready and I had to make a whole routine to audition with in like a day and a half. So if you're interested in that story, go watch my video. But I wanted to tell y'all that I did get the job, so I will be a solid core coach. I'm in training right now, learning everything there is to know so that I can be the best coach, so that I can show the best form. So I am so excited. I live to push people to be their best self. That's why I made this channel, to connect and inspire, and to also be inspired by y'all and to learn from y'all. So I am so excited. And I also wanted to show y'all this quick and funny story. I found this little note in my bag because, let's be real, work be getting boring and I just doodle and write to myself sometimes. And I wrote out 3 goals. The first goal was to become a fitness instructor. I thought this was going to be far in the future. Here we are. I'm currently becoming a solid core coach. Yes, meow. Secondly, get abs. This is very arbitrary, but I am a lot closer than I won't say I'm the closest I've ever been to getting abs, but I was much smaller when I almost had abs the last time. So I'm super excited that I'm like at a bigger body weight, but still like on my way to get abs, like turn up. And then lastly, book 2 trips. My Jamaican friend Victoria invited me to come to Jamaica with her for Carnival, and I said hell yeah, trip booked, I'm out. So long story short, write y'all goals down, get them on paper, they happen. So let's talk about how the hell you fit in the gym to your already crazy hectic schedule. And the first way you do that is by making sacrifices. Something's gotta give. At the end of the day, something's gotta give. So sit yourself down, take a look at your schedule, and see where you can fit the gym in. And that might mean taking away from something else to make sure you have the time to do so. That could mean going to bed earlier so that you can wake up earlier and go to the gym before work. That could also mean taking control of your screen time. So if you have an iPhone right now, I don't know what the Android equivalent is, I'm sorry y'all, but take out your phone and look at your screen time. Check it out, see what your average screen time is. If it's anything above whatever, you're not, like if you're at work and you're on your phone, fine. But if you're just sitting in your bed on your phone, look at that time. How can you dedicate that same time to pushing yourself to go to the gym, pushing yourself to reach your goals? So think about how that time can be allocated in a way that's beneficial to you. Because at the end of the day, scrolling, you're just there. You're there making somebody else money. So how can you put that time into yourself? It could also mean not taking that 4-hour FaceTime call, okay? You might not need to talk to that friend for 4 hours that day. You have to own your time, because once it's gone, it's gone. There's no getting that time back. So secondly, you need to streamline your workout, streamline your process of going to the gym. So what the hell do I mean by this? Going to the gym is not only going to the gym, it's also planning out what you're gonna do when you get there so that you reach your goals. And that can take a lot of time. It could take a lot. You might even end up scrolling on Instagram to figure that out. That is time consuming. What I would suggest you do is figure out a way for somebody to tell you what to do. Find a workout plan that you can follow. I would suggest getting like a fun, cute little app that you can follow along with. It even has videos. So I recently started using Fitbod, and it's an app that gives you a workout plan. So I'm able to go into the app, tell them my goals, tell them what I'm looking to do, and it spits out workouts for me. And not only does it spit out workouts for me, it also tracks them. So if I'm logging my weight, next time it's gonna push me and keep building the weight that I'm working out on. It also asks me like, how did you feel about this? Could you do a few more reps? So that it's learning your body and learning how to push you. And it does all the work for me. I'm not scrolling to figure out a plan, nothing like that, because it's right here in my hand. I take Make It With Me. It even has demo videos in case you don't know how to do the workout. So I would suggest doing something like that. And then also, if you're anything like me, you might have a phobia of gym showers. I was not trying to go to the gym shower. I was waking up super early, going to the gym, coming back home, showering, and then heading to work when my house is not close to my gym. So that was taking up a lot of time, and now your girl has officially become a get ready at the gym girl. I still don't feel great about it, but it's saving me time and it'll save you time too. So whatever you can do to streamline your process of going to the gym and working out, do so. Thirdly, this one is huge and a game changer. Plan out your meals in advance. Do not waste your time on food, okay? This was taking up so much of my time before I finally got it under control, and it's made all the difference. So what I do is on Sunday, I plan out what meals I want to eat. I take some time, just figure it out. Amber, what are you gonna eat this week? I plan out one breakfast. I always have the same thing for breakfast, so who cares? And then I get 2 lunches and 2 dinners. One of my lunches and one of my dinners is something that's gonna be quick and easy. I can pop it on the stove, pop it in the air fryer, keep it moving. So I have one of those quick and easy options for both lunch and dinner. And then I also have a full meal option, something that's gonna be so good, so yummy, but it's gonna be a little bit more time consuming. So I plan out those 5 meals, and then I go to the grocery store on Sunday, get all the ingredients I need so I don't have to circle back to the grocery store throughout my week. And I don't cook them all at the same time. So on Sunday, I'll make that long dinner that I have planned for the week, and then I'll also make my quick and easy lunch for work on Monday, so I don't have to cook 2 long meals back to back. And then on Monday, I'll eat my quick and easy lunch, I'll eat my long dinner that I made on Sunday, and then I'll take some time to make my long lunch as well. Yeah, so I take some time to make my long lunch. I just pick and choose throughout the week. Am I feeling my long lunch meal? Am I feeling my short lunch meal? Am I feeling my short dinner meal? And that way I don't have to eat the same exact thing every day, but I'm still prepared and I don't have to waste time at the grocery store. Fourthly, incorporate home workouts. It has told us that working out has to be something so difficult. You have to push all this weight, or you need to go to this Pilates studio, you need to do this and that and that and this, and it has to be so difficult and it does not have to be that difficult. You can work out at home with minimal equipment and still get a good workout in. Don't forget about those workouts and those opportunities that you can have in the comfort of your home. If you can't make it to the gym 5 for 3 days a week, you can always throw in a quick home workout. I'm gonna show y'all some pictures. So this picture is when I was going to the gym consistently before quarantine, and this picture here is during quarantine when I was just doing home workouts. And I think I had a pair of 10-pound dumbbells, a pair of 20-pound dumbbells, and a stair stepper, maybe a few other things like a jump rope, but not a ton of equipment is what I'm trying to get at. And I was seeing results that I wasn't seeing when I was in the gym. So home workouts work. Do not feel like you have to make the gym a whole debacle. You do not have to go to the gym every time you want to work out. Maybe you do 2 gym workouts, 1 home workout per week, and that's what it is. So make sure you're making it work for you. And then lastly, my 5th tip is to believe in yourself. Believe and you will achieve, okay? Like I said in the last step, there is no reason that you have to go from 0 to 100. Progress does not work like that. It works slowly and surely. You'll never regret going and getting that 1 workout in per week. You'll never regret trying. You'll never regret moving your body. You'll only regret not starting sooner. So do what you can, make it work for you. Okay, y'all, so those are my 5 tips on how to work out on a busy schedule from a busy scheduled girl herself. I have now 2 jobs. I also create content, and I'm just a youngin' living in LA on her own, doing all the things that she has to do. So I too get busy, and I just wanted to share with y'all how I fit it all. How do I do it? And I hope that at least one of the tips is helpful for you. Comment any questions down below, and I hope y'all you have a great, beautiful week. And I hope y'all have a great, beautiful week. I also wanted to thank y'all for 4,000 subscribers. I didn't realize that I didn't thank y'all for getting me to 4,000 subscribers, but like there's 4,000 of y'all. Be fucking for real. Thank y'all so much. Continue to like, comment, subscribe, share this video with anybody. Share this video with your bestie that you need to also hit the gym with you. And thank y'all so much for watching. Now I gotta go train, so